I am Shaik Imran. I am from Manchiral, Telangana. During my MTech, one of my friend joined in Emertxe. He got selected in Continental. He suggested me this Emertxe course and about this institute. Through him, I got to know about this. Academically, I am good student. I am in top 5 student in my NIT. In Emertxe also, I did very good hard work. Whatever mentor said, everything I practiced very thoroughly, and whatever assignments are there, I finished them within deadline time. The journey in Emertxe is very fantastic. Actually, I am a triple E background student. Actually, I don't know much about this programming language, but joining in Emertxe, it has helped me to boost my coding skills and learning about microcontroller. These are all module help me for future in embedded domain, and all module from scratch I learned with the help of mentors. This course is actually fantastic, and I joined this course in September 2022, and I finished my course in April. After qualifying placement eligibility test, I got many opportunity for interview. Actually, Emertxe is giving good opportunity for all students. Like after completion of course also, they will give you 2 years of time considering as Emertxe student. It is because any unfortunate situations happen in any student life or any family issues happen, uh, they may utilize this time and also come back. Same issues happened to me, and I faced the same issue in my family, so I taken 1 year gap. Again I came back. Here the mentors and everyone taken good care of me, supported me very well. In Emertxe, each module have one project. Total we have 5 modules, and each module I did every one project. I attended more than seven plus interview. This is 8th one. So I cracked the interview. Recently placed in Raiton Semiconductors as embedded engineer training. I will thank all Emertxe staff people, mentors, my placement team, and everyone to support me really very well. And also I recommend every student to join Emertxe to start their career in embedded domain.